Hi everyone, Coralie Fraser from Kindy at Avondale. As you're getting your child ready for school, anything which really helps them to develop fine motor skills will be a big help to us. And when we're talking fine motor skills, we're talking about the small movements that occur in their wrists, their hands, their fingers, their feet, their toes. And we're finding that a lot of our precious pre-kindy kids come to us not having had much experience with cutting and pasting and holding pencils correctly. So we would love you to encourage activities which strengthen fine motor skills. Things like writing, holding and manipulating little tiny things, buttoning clothing. That's a biggie when we come to swimming later on in the year in kindy. Turning pages, eating, cutting open packets, cutting with scissors, using computer keyboards, working with Play-Doh, threading beads, maybe even poking straws in holes. Google it, you'll find so many things to do.